welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing my first ever Allure Beauty Box. I have received lots of ads for this, and it was the July box that finally got me to bite. So go ahead and grab your favorite beverage and let's see what's inside. Cheers! New box, new beverage. Today I'm having a spicy prickly pear margarita to go with this new box. This box is supposed to have 7 items, 4 of which should be full size, at a value of around $228, I believe. And this box was on sale, your first box, for $15. But ongoing subscriptions, this is a subscription, will be $25. So I'm gonna go ahead and open and let's see if it's worth it and if I should continue subscribing. One thing I like about this subscription is, in addition to only being $25 a month, you can skip if you don't like a particular box, so that's nice. This is what it looks like, all opened up. Great. And let's start. From Nativa Spa, this is a rosé replenishing body lotion with nourishing quinoa oil and hyaluronic acid. It's sealed, but it's pretty. Let's see, it's pretty. It is 30 ml, so 1 fluid ounce. So this is probably not full size. But I will find the full-size products. I do want to smell it because it says it's rosé, so I'm hoping it smells like rosé. So it's really thick. And let's see. It's pretty. So it does have kind of a rosé smell. Either way, it's pretty, it's hydrating, and after lots of sun, which I had recently, I could use some hydrating body lotion, so that's exciting. I also have from Yves Saint Laurent a Touche Eclat Blur Primer. This is a gel fluid universal gel liquid. This is the package. So once again, this is not full size, but ooh, I didn't expect her to look like that. Okay, I don't know if you can see, but it's kind of sparkly and fun. That's gonna be fun to put under maybe foundation, if I'm wearing foundation, or if I just kind of want more staying power for my tinted moisturizer, I would use that. And I will validate the value of this. Another one from Byroad, maybe New York. This is a Golden Carrot Overnight Relief Mask. This looks like a deluxe sample size. This is an overnight mask, which I love, and it's in 10 milliliters, so 0.3 fluid ounces. But I like the fact that it has carrot and it's a mask, and the great thing about this is it's great for travel. Okay, moving on. Interesting. So I got a perfume oil from Malin and Goats, and this is dark rum. I don't know if I want to smell like rum. That sounds kind of dangerous, but I definitely want to see what it smells like, and this does look like one of the full-size products. So it's a roll-on, which is cool. It's sweet. Let's try it on the hand without the body lotion. That is interesting. It smells good, very tropical. I don't smell like a boozed out, person who's just been drinking rum all day, but it definitely has a really nice tropical vibe, so I kind of like that. That's very different than anything I would ever normally wear, but that has a really nice beachy, sweet vibe to it. So surprisingly, I like the rum perfume oil. This also looks like a full size. This is Water Lily PHA. This is a pore refining exfoliator from Flannery. This is 45 mLs, and this should be used after cleansing, and then it says also continue, can't speak today, carry to patch test 24 hours before first use. So if you're sensitive, do a patch test. This is an exfoliator. It does say you want to massage after cleansing, and also I believe because it has the PHA, which is, so PHA is kind of similar to an AHA or BHA, but it's more gentle, so it's better for sensitive skin. So something like this would actually probably be a lighter, a more gentle exfoliator. So I probably personally wouldn't do a patch test, but the fact that it says caution makes me wonder how strong this is. But I always like having a nice exfoliator. This would be a wash off. Wash off? Yeah, rinse the skin with warm water. Okay. Now from Tula. Ooh, I've been wanting to try this. Okay, great. This is Tula Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. It's a eye balm stick. I'm very familiar with this. I have some Tula skincare. I love it. And this is nice because, well, that's interesting. This little applicator on top is like just really interesting looking. And it's like you pull up. Actually, it's probably like deodorant where you can just do this and then it just comes right off. Yeah, definitely. But it's blue and super cooling and not a lot of color, but the brightening is nice. So if you're looking tired, that is a good one to add to your routine before doing makeup. Okay, so this was full size. This was full size. This is full size. This is definitely full size. Okay. And the box did advertise this product specifically as having a $60-something value, and this is from Sunday Riley. This is their Be Nice. This is a 10% niacinamide, so that's going to help with the appearance of your pore size, redness, wrinkles, hydration. Niacinamide is a derivative, or it is vitamin B, and it's going to just help with a lot of things. So I really like adding niacinamide into my routine because it does help with all these things. And this is definitely a full-size product, and it's a nice pump to add to my niacinamides. So all in, I have to validate, but this looks like a nice first box, a good combination of skincare, some perfume, and then some body lotion. And I believe this is the full size, this is the full size, this is the full size. Yes. And this one. Okay. Here are my 4 full sizes. So the 4 full sizes were there. The 7 products were there because these would be the other 2 the other 3 not full size. So everything it promised is there. I just need to validate the value. Thank you for watching. Please comment below if you have purchased this Allure Beauty Box, either this July one, this new member one, or any of the other ones, what you like, what you don't like, any of these products you know about. I'm definitely interested to see how this rum perfume goes throughout the day. But please like, subscribe, and don't forget to check out my next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.